Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we are going to start the third chapter of our mathematics textbook, which is named as Concept and Application of Logarithm. So let us get started with the first problem that we have. You can see on the screen the first problem. Find out the value using different formulas. So we already discussed about the formula of exponent and logarithm, right? So today we are going to put them into use. On number one, as you can see, whenever you are answering it in the answer script, you have to write the question first. And please be careful, this 3 is not with this 2, okay? This is not 2 to the power 3 or this is not 23, rather it is cubic root. Okay, what does it mean? I will show you again. We already discussed while discussing the formula, but today again inshallah I will show you. So, and then this one is 5 here, and then minus 12, 6 here. So now this can be done in two ways. Like for example, I already told you to memorize some of the power of the numbers, right? Like 343. This can be written 7q. Okay? And then this root over, for example, if I have root over x, then we understand from it that it is x to the power 1 by 2. Okay, so this root actually means the power is 1 by 2. But what if some number is written here? Then it will be 1 by that number only, not 1 by 2 anymore. It is, if it is 3 written, then 1 by 3. So here it is 3 written, so we can say that this is also 1 by 3. Now 3 and 3, they will be cancelling each other because they will be multiplying, okay, according to the formula, and only 1 will be left, so 7 to the power 1 will be there. And then 2 into 243, I think it is 3 to the power 5. 3 to the power 5. So this is for 243 only. What about the root over? That root over, we will make it 1 by 5. I hope you got the idea about it. Then 12 and 64. 64 can be written 2 to the power 6. 1 by 6. So now let me give you an idea so that you also solve this problem more easily. For example, if it is cubic root, then there will be a number of which we can write it as cube. Okay, like 343, it can be written as 7 cube power 3. Okay, there will be a such number. Then it is 5 here, so obviously there will be a number. If I write the 5 as power to that number, it will be 243, and here it is 3 to the power 5. And same goes for here, it will be 2 to the power 6. Now if you cannot find, or you are in a hurry, like it's the last 1 minute of your exam and the teacher is coming to take your paper, that time you don't actually have time to find it out. Okay, so what you do, you just directly write this part. Okay, this part. Okay, this part you just directly write it in the calculator, it will directly give you the value 7. Okay, so you can do that also, no problem, it can be done. Okay, so let us continue our calculations. So 2, as I already told you, 3 and 3, they will be cancelling each other. So 7 to the power 1 is basically 7. And same will be here also, 2 into 3, similarly. And then minus 12 into 2. Now 7 to the 14 plus 3 to the 6 minus 12 to the 24. So 12 plus 6 is 20. 20 minus 24 is minus 4. According to me, that should be our answer. Kindly recheck the calculation. Sometimes I may make some mistake in addition and subtraction or multiplication. So never take my answer for granted. Okay, you do the calculation at home, and if you find any mistake in my calculation, then kindly let me know. No problem. I'm also a human being. I can also make mistake. Then let us try to solve number two. Number two is y to the power a plus b, and fraction denominator is y to the power 2c. So we will continue writing the next formulas also. 2a into y to the power c plus a and y to the power 2b. So now from here we can actually, you know, write it like this. In the numerator, y to the power, like all the power will be added. Now why it will be added? Because the bases are same. If you remember, we discussed it while discussing the formula. If the bases are same and there is multiplication sign between them, as you can see, so the power will all be added with each other. So a plus b plus b plus c plus c plus a, correct? Then in the denominator also we will do the same. Okay, they will also be multiplied with each other, so the power will be added. 2c plus 2a plus 2b. Now that gives us y to the power, you can see a and a will give us 2a, plus b it will give us 2b, and then c plus c 2c, and in the denominator we already have this 2a plus 2b plus 2c. I have rearranged it a little bit. We can do that if we want. 2a can be written first, 2b second, and 2c can be written at last. No problem. So, for example, if I have 3 by 3, then it should be equal to 1, right? So here also you can see that whenever the numerator and the denominator is same, the answer is 1. Here the numerator is y to the power 2a 2b 2c. Here denominator is also same, 2a 2b 2c. So as they both are same, the answer will be 1. So that is the solution of the problem in question number 1 of this chapter. I hope you understood, and if there is any doubt or if I have made any mistake, kindly let me know. Inshallah, I will clear those doubt in the future classes. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.